Hello and welcome to my channel. I know some of us are querying why I am into this Anioma thing. You forget that this is Igbo Area TV and we talk about Ndibo. And Ndibo are not restricted to the 5 Southeast states. No. Ndibo are in Benue, in Akwa Ibom, in Bayelsa, in Kogi, in Delta State. It is not restricted to Southeast. And I belong to a particular group called Nde Asobia, and our work is to unite Ndibo. So I'm not stopping so early. Some people are like, why are you so concerned? Now you know why I'm concerned. We just had a conference on the 29th and 30th in Opanam Delta State. You saw the conference, Igbo Unity. I was part of that conference. Yes, I was part of the organizers. So I'm not stopping so early. And let me tell you something you don't know. Those who are heading or spearheading that conference, who are spearheading the movement in the Nasobia, Igbo Unification Project, they are actually from those areas. Yes. In case you don't know, you think it's people from the Southeast that are spearheading it. No. The people spearheading it are mostly people from Delta State Igbo. So, some people see so you should understand why I'm still into it. Meanwhile, our topic today is Anioma State. I will be telling you about Anioma State creation while I share some of the pictures from that event. Stay tuned. So we're going to be talking about Anioma State, you understand? But I'll be sharing pictures of that event that just happened 29th and 30th. Oh, it was an epoch-making event. If you're not there, you missed it. So, I'm also going to speak in this video as if I am an Anyoma person. Anyoma is Igbo, so don't ask me if I come from that part of... Note, in this video, I'll be an Anyoma person. So, my people, it is time we speak with one voice. The dream of Anioma State is not new, actually. The journey started long ago by our fathers. A relay race that has lasted generations. Yes. So, from even before Dennis Osadebe, but we are talking about after the formation of Nigeria. But Ndibo's attempt to unite themselves has been long, or trying to identify as Igbo has been long. So, from Dennis Osadebe, the first premier of old Midwestern region, to Chief B.C. Ijomah, Chief J.I. Eza, and Senator Anosi Keipo. All these are men who carried the torch of Anioma dream. Not be today start, but today, that historical baton is in the hands of Senator Ned Nwoko. Just like in a race, you carry baton, you hand to the other person, continues the race. While the person with the baton today is Senator Ned Nwoko. Yes, so the race is almost at the finish line. Anioma State has come by God's special grace. Some people ask, why Anioma State? Why do we seek Anioma State? It is simple because a child who is not welcome at the dining table will look for his own seat. Abi? If a child is not welcome at the dining table, he will look for his own seat. From the Western region to the Midwest, to Bender State, and now Delta State. Anyoma people have suffered rejection, and you know that. I see some of Anyoma people fighting, he will not be Southeast, You don't know what Anyoma will do for you. Anyoma will bring the government closer to you, apart from whichever region it is in. The government will come closer to you. So, like I said, Anyoma State have suffered rejection. We were never accepted as equals. We were mocked as unwanted Igbo people living in a wrong state. Anyoma State is about identity of a particular people, speaking one language. So Anyoma is not a mistake. Anyoma is not a stranger. Anyoma is a proud people with one language group, one culture, and one destiny. What a chore or the model. Oga here funako kenye. When a child seeks advice, he will not miss the guidance of elders. Our elders showed us the way Anioma State is the only solution. Anyoma is rich, very rich, just like other Igbo parts. Anyoma sits on crude oil and gas. We have solid minerals. In fact, the whole of Igbo land, but this show is specifically for Anyoma. So we have solid minerals. We have fertile land. We have rainforest, mangrove, swamp, and savanna, whatever you call it. We have it, yes. Like the elephant that walks all day, Anyoma eats like an ant. Anyoma cannot be walking like an elephant and eating like an ant. Our wealth is taken, shared, and wasted elsewhere. Our people remain poor. Onye ọwụna si Anyoma na-agba Anyoma mgba anyị achọghị ife n'isi. So, if Anyoma becomes a state, the revenue that belongs to us, to a particular extent, will be managed by us. Our land will finally feed our children. Asina akuru uno amalo onye kpadaria. Akuru uno okowo onye kpataria. When wealth reaches home, people will know who worked for it. In fact, I've not been using proverbs in my program, but it's like this one is laced with some few proverbs. Yeah. So, beyond wealth, Anyoma needs a voice. Our representation is limited. With Anioma State, we will have 3 senatorial districts. Remember, it's only one senator that is representing Anyoma. But this time again, there will be 3 senators. You understand? 3 senatorial districts, each with a senator. That is 3 strong voices in the Senate. 3 voices to speak for Anyoma. 3 hands to push Anyoma forward in the National Assembly. No more silence, no more being spoken for. Anyoma will speak for itself. So Anyoma State will not be a divided house. We are one people. The Aniocha, the Oshimili, the Ndokwa stroke Okwane, the Eka. We share same culture, traditions, and history, unlike other states struggling with ethnic divisions. Anyoma is naturally one. State here onye ọna na-anụ ife ndị ọzọ na-ekwu. Ọ bụrụ ka ndị Igbanke je abịa kpọ ha na meeting Bini, ha je meeting Bini, ndị Bini na-asụ Bini n'ime meeting. Igbanke sota na-eneze ha. Mana mgbe emechara Anyoma abịa nwetakwa Igbanke ya join na Anyoma nka. Igbanke na Anyoma, Igbanke eso na Anyoma. Ndị bai igwe bụ ike, unity is strength. Anyoma's unity will be our power. In case you don't know. Onye anụmanụ ife ọtụna George onye ibe ka gịnị ka a na-akpọ. Hey, ebele na-emere ụfọdụ. Maka if ofu obi ya emeghị ofu obi ya emeghị ịkwasasị ife ya balụ ndebe ụnụ. Nọrọ na completed building na-akọgheri. Anyway, your story is a small story. Let us not forget, Anyoma is not just rich in land, Anyoma is rich in people. Our youth are some of the most educated, hardworking, and innovative in Nigeria. In sports, Anyoma has carried Nigeria on its shoulder. Unbeatable power, Anyoma people that has helped Nigeria in sports. Look at the records. Late Sam Opone from Ndokwa, Okwane, the first Nigerian national team captain. Austin J.J. Okosha, the football magician from Ogwachuku in Aniocha. Akwema. Ndoko Bade from Oshimili, captain of the victorious Golden Eaglets in 1995. And the legendary Stevie Keshi, the big bulls from Ela in Oshimili. Anyoma has produced great men and women in politics, academia, arts, and business. Anyoma is already standing tall globally. All that remains is for Anyoma to stand tall politically as a state. Ebe aka follow. Ebe aka follow. So some may ask, can Anyoma survive as a state? Here, oh. The answer is yes now. Can ife follow? Ndị mmadụ ya chieno. Anioma's natural resources, human capital, and cultural unity are greater than some entire African countries. So if it in Anioma. Anyoma is not begging. Anyoma is ready to, take care of itself. Anioma State is not just viable. Anyoma is a sure goal. Anyoma is a sure goal. My brothers and sisters, Anioma's destiny is in our hands. Anyoma can now. This is not Senator Ned Nwoko's fight alone. No. He's only holding the baton passed from our ancestors. It is our duty to run with him. Anioma sons and daughters in Nigeria and abroad, let us unite. Let us speak with one voice. Let us demand our place in the Nigerian Federation. Because if we do not rise now, history will ask, when the baton reached your hands, what did you do with it? One person alone cannot lift the pot of water. Anyoma needs all of us. Anyoma is a land of pride. Anyoma is a land of greatness. Anyoma is a land of champions. Our ancestors dreamed it. Our leaders carried it. Now it is our turn to fulfill it. Anyoma State is possible. Anyoma State is inevitable. Anyoma State is now. Anyoma Voice Worldwide. Kwenu.